All right, exercise 1.4, part 5, answers. Again, if you don't understand why the right answer is what it is, shoot me an email and we'll make sure that we get you there. All right, so for number 1, some arguments, while not completely valid, are almost valid. That's false, because remember, our definition of validity has to do with possibility. So if there's just one way for that conclusion to be false when the premises are true, that argument is totally invalid, not sort of invalid. It's totally invalid. All right, so false for number 1. Number 2 is kind of a throwaway, and I know the image doesn't make sense. It's because I would use it ordinarily in a class for something else. Inductive arguments allow for varying degrees of strength and weakness. That's true. I'm not terribly concerned if you didn't get that one right. Okay, number 4, invalid deductive arguments are basically the same as inductive arguments. Number 4, if a deductive argument has true premises and a false conclusion, it is necessarily invalid. So number 3 is false. Number 4 is true. Number 5, a valid argument may have a false premise and a false conclusion. A valid argument may have a false premise and a true conclusion. Both of those are true. For number 7, sound argument may be invalid. Number 8, a sound argument may have a false conclusion. Both of those are false. So 7 and 8 are false. Number 13, if an argument has true premises and a true conclusion, we know it's a perfectly good argument. No, that is false. And again, don't ask me to explain the image. Anyway, all right, number 14. Number 14 and 15 are both false. All right, so if you got any of those wrong, look to see if you can figure out why the correct answer is what it is. Change your incorrect answer to the correct one. But if you're wanting any kind of explanation for any of those, shoot me that email, all right?